welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Google Pixel 2 case by Google for the Pixel 2 XL. Now, I picked this up from Google's website directly. Shipping was free. Price was over exaggerated as usual. Anything direct from the manufacturer has been pretty extensively hyped up and overpriced. So it goes from Samsung, Apple, Google, same thing. Definitely not worth the money, but it's a nice case. I have gotten a chance to use it a little bit. So, it is what it is. So let's see what's inside and throw it on the phone and see what we think. So the package itself, Pixel 2 case is the name by Google. This is now the dark charcoal gray color. This is the color I got. And this is for the Pixel 2 XL. Now the material is fabric, if you can see that. Okay. So on this side here, we've just got your Google branding. On the back, some information regarding the case. Okay. And on the bottom, nothing, and nothing on this side. So let's get into it. So really easy to open, guys. Idiot-proof packaging. Thanks, Google. Okay, let's pop this out. And we have a little disclaimer here, which says fabric may stain, hand wash only. Okay, so for those of you who are a little bit more rugged or tend to have exposure to dirt and grime, that's something that you need to do. I switch cases all the time, so I don't think I'll be washing the case. Okay, let's move on. So this is the case itself, guys. Initial impressions, the feel in the hand is amazing. It looks really nice. It's much darker than the lighting is showing off because of all the studio lighting in here. It's making it look a little bit more gray than it is. In the dark, it's actually more of a almost black. I'm trying to just find some lighting that's not even, but anyway, let's get the Panda in and see what's what. So we've got our Panda Pixel 2 XL here. I'm going to throw that in. So as I usually do, top, left, right, and there we go. Okay, so while that's booting up, it's a first boot up, guys. I was excited to get this in-house. I wanted to get the case video out to you guys so you guys can check that out. So this thing is starting up. Okay, so let's start with the back. You can see there you've got ample room for your camera and your flash, as well as a really good size cutout for your fingerprint scanner. You've got Google branding here, which stays consistent to the actual phone itself. On the top, you've got a cutout for your mic. Nothing on the left side. On the right side, okay, you've got a metal button, which is kind of cool because it replaces the plastic button that this one has, as well as embossed power volume rocker up and down. Tactility is great, okay, for all the buttons, they feel good. The fit and finish of this case is really nice. There's a very, very slight lay on table. It does make the phone a little bit wider, but it's just like the leather case that the Apple offers for the iPhone. Now on the bottom here, okay, you've got just your cutout for your USB charging, okay? Nothing else. It's all open. I mean, they could have actually made this a little bit more smaller. It doesn't need to be that big, but I guess getting the case on and off would be a problem. But anyway, all in all, I think it's a great case. The quality is good. The build is nice. It looks fantastic on the phone. All in all, it's a definite win. I think if you have a Pixel 2 XL or a Pixel 2, you should definitely pick up this case. I mean, the price is pretty savage. The link will be in the description, but we do recommend it. I think it's a good case for the Pixel 2 XL. All right, guys, if you have questions about this case or the Pixel 2 XL, put them down below. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm out. Peace.